Hello and welcome back to Tolaris TV. We're out here in sunny Florida this morning. Started out just a little chilly, but we were able to go ahead and finish pouring the stem wall. As you can see here from our previous videos, we had actually started with the footers and then built the stem wall. And today, because it's 4 courses high, we actually ended up filling the stem wall. So the next process from here will be to start backfilling in the stem wall. You can see some of the loads of dirt already stockpiled over there. And this is high quality backfill material being brought in today. And we'll start filling in probably sometime on Monday. This will set up for a few days and then we'll get started backfilling. So right now you're seeing the house, the stem wall is built. You have all the safety caps on all of this rebar, which is actually, if you remember, is down into the footer that's in the ground, now coming up through the stem wall, and now you can see it protruding through the stem wall. And then actually once the slab is poured, it is actually going to then end up being connected through the concrete block wall and then tied in when we pour the lintel. But if you look over here real close, you could see this is a chair rail. You see this chair block on the top? This is actually where the slab is going to end up being poured and filled. And that'll be the final finished floor. So there you go from Tolaris TV. This is what's happening out here in sunny Florida. Thanks for watching Tolaris TV.